The last video that we did, it was talking about how do you actually get started in the kitchen making a recipe. The first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you wash your hands. Warm, soapy water, rinse the hands, dry them off as you want to wipe down your counter. In my bucket here, I have a liter of warmish water. Do not make your water too hot or you'll burn off the bleach. And then I have about a teaspoon of bleach. And I'm just going to wipe down my counter, because again, you always want to start off with a nice, clean, sanitized surface. And from one of the very first videos that I did, I talked about how you want to put a grip under your cutting board. So a grip that you can get at the dollar store, it comes in big rolls. You can cut it down to size. You want to put that down, and then you want to lay your cutting board over top. And it prevents the cutting board from moving and slipping on you. So I want to make sure I've got my oven mitts handy, and I'm going to turn on the oven to the desired temperature. The next thing I want to do is gather all the equipment I need for my recipe. So by looking at my recipe ahead of time, I know that I need a casserole dish, and it's always easier to spray your casserole dish for cleanup at the end. You want to make sure that you spray it over a garbage can or over the sink. And that's because if this gets on the floor and you step on it, you could actually slip and hurt yourself. So I've got my casserole dish here, just a typical 9 by 11, and I'm just going to spray it. So now it's good to go.